If you remember in Introduction to Excel, we learned how to do the AutoSum function. We got Excel to add a column of values without individually inputting the numbers or the cells into the function. Now we're going to do a SUMIF function. The SUMIF function also finds the sum of multiple cells at one time. However, with the SUMIF function, we're going to give Excel certain criteria as to the numbers which it can add to the sum. For example, we have a list of numbers from A1 to A20, and we want to type in the SUMIF function in cell A21. I'm going to click on cell A21 to activate it, and then in the formula bar, start typing the function. The function begins with equals, and then I'm going to type SUMIF, and double-click on SUMIF here in the bottom. Now I give Excel the range. The range is going to be A1 to A20. When typing the range, you type the first cell, and then a colon, and then the last cell. So we're looking at cells from A1 to A20. Notice how Excel outlines these cells in blue, so you know which cells you're going to be adding. Now I'm going to give Excel the criteria. The criteria is this: only add positive numbers. You'll notice that some of these numbers are red. This means they're negative numbers, but I only want to add the black numbers. These are positive numbers. Therefore, my criteria in the function will be greater than 0. All numbers greater than 0 will be positive numbers. Then I'm going to close parentheses and hit enter. The sum for these values is 68721. I'm going to type it over here and put it off to the side. Now, let's just use a regular sum function. I'm going to go ahead and click AutoSum and find the sum from A1 to A20, including the negative numbers. When I hit enter, you notice that the sum is much different than the sum I found with the SUMIF function. This is because we added negative numbers, and the total sum is less than if we only added the positive numbers.